That's a dog show.
You play ghosts.
Come on, get in the house.
And Grandpa,
Get in the house.
he said we have a real goat in this house. And Grandpa said, Grandpa said,
Ow, son of a bitch. Alright, watch out. Watch out, Cole. No, Tony, what are you doing? Close the door, please.
he wants to get a closer look to it. This is the shoe that he got from Grandpa.
Very nice.
Actually, Grandpa saw this and he was like, what about these? And I didn't even see them. He checked where my toe was, and my toe was like all the way down here now on these shoes.
Mm-hmm.
I think I might be moving up to 12 soon. These are 11 and a half. And my toe's almost to the end of them. So what's the deal about me going to hang out with Charlie?
I have no idea though. What time?
I'll ask him. These are really comfy. I had to charge my phone because my battery died while I was playing the goat simulator with Grandma. I'm gonna go through this.
The straw went missing. I don't know where it went. That's why nobody drinks it. Dylan, can you see if you can find the
That's my
Kodak
food.
remote?
That's my food. That's my food. You don't need to open my food.
You had the Kodak remote before we left to go to the shop, remember? That's the last time anybody saw it.
Actually, no, Amble did because she turned on Henry Danger.
Then Daddy had it.
Then-
No, we were watching DJ Masks or something. When I went to go for my rest, you guys were watching TV out here with the Kodak remote.
Yeah, Amble was
Daddy
watching.
wasn't here since then.
I know. I
So
didn't
where
have.
was Annabelle sitting?
Right here, where you're sitting.
But The Daddy dog just goes now away. paused this.
Daddy didn't have the Kodak remote.
He was using his
Daddy
phone.
was using his phone.
Oh.
We haven't been able to find it. That's what I was just talking about, Annabelle.
Maybe tomorrow you could try on my shoes.
What now, James? What? I need you to move out of my way, James.
Iron Man.
So, Amber, where were you sitting when we were watching Henry Danger?
Oh, I was sitting right here.
Well, right here.
like talking about me and Grandma were talking about the trip that I don't know if you read about this in the school website, but we are doing a trip next year to Italy.
No, I did not know that. Here, take this and put it in the trash.
It's not like a school trip. It's
Can you do what I just asked you?
What?
Come take this and put it in the trash. I know that, buddy, but I'm asking you to do something. It's not that difficult.
So it's like a trip that we can go on.
Yep.
Now,
Tony, where's the top to your drink?
Bonnie, now can I have the Iron Man mask?
Can you tell me? Yes. Can you tell me where the top to your drink is?
Sorry, lost it.
Awesome, because now you can't have it.
Stranger to our way. Still a move. Cause for celebration.
Bonnie,
Not conflict.
you're down.
Do you see the shoes there?
Nice. Rejecting friendships and spirits.
No, if you guys are gonna play
A
like that, then
lifetime
you're not gonna
adapted to
have this
Earth's
because I do not want it
never
broken.
adapted to ours.
No, because I didn't have any of that. Have the other cherry wine.
Dad, we hope to take a trip to Italy
Huh?
next year. We hope to take a trip to Italy next year.
Nice. Run its course.
Grandma told me to save up some money.
Marty, so you put the glove on me and
Hello.
this and to get mommy. If you were here,
Clark.
mommy,
That's the name they gave us. And
Mommy, please.
I was
How's
stripped
that?
off military leave for father on foremost sciences. The only thing we agreed on was that Krypton would die.
Let's pick up the Iron Man.
Protect our civilization.
Let's pick up the Iron Man.
I and my
Please,
fellow
Mommy,
officers
please.
were sentenced to death.
Mommy, share.